Welcome to Freedom Fender, your go-to source for the latest in electric mobility. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Suzuki e-Access, Suzuki's much-anticipated entry into the electric scooter market. Overview of the Suzuki e-Access. The Suzuki e-Access marks the brand's strategic move into the electric two-wheeler segment. Built on the successful platform of the petrol-powered Access 125, this electric variant aims to deliver the same comfort and reliability, now with an eco-friendly powertrain. Suzuki promises a seamless transition for riders looking to switch from petrol to electric, without compromising on performance or style. Performance and battery specs. While official specifications are still under wraps, early reports suggest that the e-Access will be equipped with a removable lithium-ion battery and a hub-mounted motor. The expected top speed should be around 80 km per hour, making it suitable for city commutes. Range estimates hover around 90 to 100 km on a full charge, positioning it as a strong competitor in the urban EV space.